First up this evening, the trail of devastation left by Hurricane Irma in the Eastern Caribbean. Such destruction that the Jamaican government is declaring that it stands ready to help.
The hurricane left minor damage in Antigua, but not its sister state Barbuda, with reports suggesting that at least 90% of the island's houses have been destroyed. In fact, the Antiguan Prime Minister says Barbuda is literally a rubble.
Irma is being blamed for 3 deaths, an infant in Barbuda and 2 people in St. Bart's. And those are not the only islands left reeling. TVJ's Janella Pursues reports.
Irma, the dangerous. The Category 5 hurricane lived up to predictions, leaving a path of destruction as it pummeled through the Leeward Islands, the twin island state Antigua and Barbuda, the first to feel its wrath. Barbuda, however, got the worst of the storm, with the eye passing directly over it late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. So far, not many pictures or video from the small island, but listen as the storm, packing winds of 185 miles per hour, made landfall in neighboring Anguilla. St. Martin would also feel the effects as the hurricane passed through that island, and so too St. Thomas. Additionally, the British Virgin Islands. These photographs tell the tale of the destruction. It's early days yet, and so the cost of the damage done to infrastructure and housing is still unknown. Jamaica may have been spared the onslaught, but the Jamaican government is committing to assist the affected islands. A release from the Office of the Prime Minister states that first responders are on standby, subject to the requests from national offices in the affected islands. The government will also be making inquiries through the various embassies and consulates about the welfare of Jamaicans. Meanwhile, over in Barbados, the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, SEDEMA, called an emergency press conference. The agency's head, Ronald Jackson, says 9 of 18 SEDEMA participating states have been affected by the hurricane, Anguilla seeing the most damage.
The hospital, the police station, and at least 3 or 4 of the shelters have been damaged. At the moment, we've not been able to ascertain the full details of the needs in Anguilla, but we anticipate that as the team go out and conduct their initial situation overview, a better picture of the specific needs will come forward. But given the passage of the eye of Irma, we expect that Anguilla will record additional damage reports.
While Hurricane Irma is on path to the U.S. mainland, in the Caribbean, all eyes are now on Hurricanes Jose and Katia, which are both in the Atlantic. Janella Pursues, TVJ News.